Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this old Sargent lock that I have clamped up in the vise. This lock is one of the locks that came from the eBay purchase that I got several locks in. Anyway, that purchase so far has proven to be a lot of easy locks, but good locks turn into challenge locks. Here's the bidding on this key. It's a pretty wild bidding, so I believe it'll be a fun pick regardless of being standard pins or having security pins. So let me go ahead and go top of the keyway, and let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. Let's go back of the keyway. I got to click off the last pin there. Nobody's wanting to go home yet, besides that first one all the way in the back. Pin 1 just went home. Pin 2 just went home. Pin 3, pin 4, pin 5 springy. Pin 4 feels like it's completely stuck now. Same with pin 3. You got a little turn out of the core on pin 2. And got a little click off pin 1 there. Not getting a whole lot of feedback off of anybody. There we go. A little bit off of pin 2. All right, pin 2 went all the way up and we got an open. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Okay. I think I can get that. Yeah, it wasn't so bad. Actually, I want to turn that just a little bit more. I just noticed there's a little ridge there. So let's go ahead and put the key in it. All right, this one is a 6-pin lock. Pin 1, standard. 2 is standard. 3, standard. 4, 5, and 6 are all standards. It's a really, really long pin on 6 there. It makes sense of why it was difficult to get underneath of them at the very start. The first pin up top was actually a key pin turned upside down. I got another key pin in 2. Standard pin in 3. Standard in 4. Standard in 5. Standard in, okay, where are these extra? I got extra pins showing up here. This lock may have been master key, because I see another one stuck in chamber 2 here. Yep, just a small wafer, and that came out of chamber 2. All right, and another one. This thing is just chock full of pins. I don't see anything unusual with the Bible here. I don't see anything unusual with the plug. Anyway, guys, this was a stock Sargent. It was a old Sargent. The pins, I wasn't expecting to see all the master wafers in it, but that's what we get sometimes. Anyway, guys, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe to my videos.